Hey everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens double box breaking number 151, a 1415 SB game use. The last and ending break was the Edmonton Oilers on February 7th at 5:56 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So we're going to just go to our current date and time. Refresh, and it's currently Sunday, February 8th at 12:33 a.m. Eastern Time. We are streaming live on Breakers TV here. We'll be doing that one right after cards. So, and also for the people that have yet to register on our Breaker page, really appreciate you doing. Normally just register an account there, and then pretty much all the other upcoming breaks will be posted there, which we will have to post them here right away. So 151, and these are boxes 7 and 8 from our case, and our serial numbers tonight are 83070711192 and 9249. It's our second one. So 1192 and 9249 is our second set of numbers. I'll go over the shrink wrap. The camera's kind of acting up here. It's like super bright on some spots and not so much on the other. So hopefully that fixes it. Okay, so good luck everyone. On to game used 1192. And also for the last two boxes of the case, it is listed on our other account. It's under the Imperial or case head one. So rather than the other one, so definitely check out for that for tomorrow. On to our break for tonight, guys. So we're going this way. And not a bad card to start off the break. We got a inked sweaters of Curtis Joseph, number 2 of 10. This is actually the second one out of 10 we've pulled already from the set. Cujo for the Arizona Coyotes. So he is a Coyotes here. Arizona. And next one is a Alexander Winberg rookie, 7 of 99 for the Blue Jackets. Alexander Winberg. Next one is a trio or triple authentic jersey. Ray Bourque, Glenn Murray, and Adam Oates. Boston. And another Boston Bruins hit. We got Pete Peters, 2-color jersey. Pete Peters. And a dual authentic fabrics of Taylor Hall and Nail Yakupov. 2 first overalls. The Oilers. On to box number 29249. So we start off the break with a rookie jersey of Bogdan Yakimov for the Edmonton Oilers. Yakimov. Next one is a veteran jersey for the Winnipeg Jets. Andrew Ladd. The triple authentic fabrics for the LA Kings, Dustin Brown, Jonathan Quick, Tyler Toffoli. The LA Kings. And a draft day marks. The guy really looks like Jonathan Toews. Every time I pull one of him, I always think it's Toews, but it's Adam Clendening. Clendening out of 35, the letter G for Chicago. I think they just traded him too. It's Adam Clendening. And a patch of Jonathan Drouin, 83 of 99. The Tampa Bay Lightning. So there we have it for tonight, guys. So we got the last 2 boxes of the case ending tomorrow on CaseEd's account. And we got that Trilogy and Cup for tomorrow night.